How to fix Microsoft Edge not opening and responding in Windows. Let's fix Microsoft Edge when it won't open or respond. First, open the Start menu. Then, in the search bar, type Settings and open it. Next, go to Apps or Apps and Features. After that, use the search box to type Microsoft Edge. Now, click the More options, 3 dots, next to Microsoft Edge and select Modify. Then, click Repair. If prompted by Windows, choose Yes. Finally, wait for the repair to complete and relaunch Edge. Subscribe to see more videos like this.